What's up, y'all? I feel so crazy right now. I feel like I look crazy with these teeth in. I'm so happy to announce that I'm gonna be collabing with Diara. I'm gonna be thrifting the Pinterest board today. Here's some of their inspo. I'm in a rush right now. I don't have a lot of time to make this intro right now because I gotta get to class. I'm gonna go thrifting after. Today is Halloween, that's why I have teeth in right now. I'll see y'all at the thrift store. There's not really much to say other than I'm going thrifting for her, and I'm really excited. I already got a couple things, but I'm not about to show y'all that because I do want some of the stuff to be a surprise to her also, so yeah.
Okay, so tags that I usually get are on sale today, but I'm not shopping for myself, so that's so great. I'm gonna have to try my best to not even look the direction of anything that I'll want. I'm gonna look through sweaters first because I just recall seeing off-the-shoulder sweaters on her Pinterest board, and I got super lucky here last time, so I do want to find that for her first. I also really want to look for jewelry for her. I do think that would be awesome to find for her. Ooh, what's this? Why am I looking at things that I don't got no business looking at? I need to stop looking at things. I already found her one purse, but I also want to find her another one just because I want to find her something like bigger, because I was watching her purse video and I think I noticed that she had a lot of small purses already, so yeah, I do want to find her a bigger purse. Y'all, help, my bag keeps falling off. I had to strap it on. My mic just fell off. I gotta pee. I'm overwhelmed, but I'm looking through these sweaters right now, very much so hoping I find something, because I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to lock in though. I'm also kind of thinking about upcycling something for her because I don't know about this one, gang. Off the shoulder sweaters, I don't come by them that often, so especially something that isn't Target or something. What is this? Oh shit. Oh, look at this one. This is off the shoulder. Hold on. And it's the red tag. Hold on, y'all. Wait, because I just found this. And it has like these cute little sparkly buttons on the bottom, but I don't know. And then that's also, no. I just found this. I don't know. Because the inside of it, it just has S on it. I don't know though. I think this is pretty cute. Off the shoulder, little sweater. But it's not oversized, but it's still pretty cute. And I think it's her color palette, so I'm just gonna maybe that. I was gonna say though, like, why whenever it smells like somebody washed the clothes, it always smells like the same exact detergent. And it always smells like they put too much detergent. Like, I don't know, like, does everybody just soak it in detergent before they donate it or something and then hang it up dry and that's it? That gets rid of the germs. I've seen things on her Pinterest board with like little flared sleeves, but like I feel like this is probably no. Now I've also seen midi skirts on her Pinterest board too. So I'm looking for something like midi that kind of like has like a trim at the bottom. Wait, because she had stripes on her dang it, it's $16. What is wrong with y'all? Wait, y'all, do y'all think she would like this? Wait, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. What's the brand on that? Fashion? New outlet. What is that? I don't know. Maybe it's too bright colored for her. I don't know. I don't know how she would feel about that. I'm scared to get that. That's like a risky thing. But I'm going to keep it in there. But I low-key think it's giving housewife. Like, I'm low-key mad about, wait, which one was it? It's this one. Like, I feel like she would like that a lot. I think this would be something that's really cute for her, but $16, I'm so sorry, girl, but I can't get you that one. Wait, because this white skirt right here, this white knitted skirt, I think this is something of her style. Okay, y'all see? This is cute, though. Like, y'all see it? It's like a knitted skirt. I think she would like that, actually. Wait, because what I find is, it's so cute. It's off the shoulder, too, girl. Yes. Yes. Just imagine. Oh yeah, that eats. I'm about to put the other one back. I think that was really, really cute. I think she's gonna really like that one. I'm trying to find her stuff that she's gonna really, really like. I'm like low-key so pissed about, where did it go? I'm still pissed about this one though. Like, girl, I know she would love that. Like, that's the thing. I just know she would. I can feel it in my bones. I feel her spirit. Like, she's calling out to me. She's saying, girl, I love that. Like, get it. And I'm just like, I'm sorry, girl. Y'all, I'm really about to fry myself and like eat myself because this would be so cute for her. Like, you cannot tell me that this wouldn't be so cute. But $16.99. Oh my god. Girl, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry if I'm torturing you right now. I'm torturing myself because I want to get it for you so bad. Like, bro, what do you mean $16.99? I feel like that would be so cute for her. I think it would match her style so well. They knew what they was doing. Right now I'm looking at the scarves to try to find like a really thin scarf. Like I'm hoping I can find like a thin polka dotted one. But I know that's low key like asking for too much. But hey, you know, manifest it or whatever. Dude, wait. I don't know if she would like this. Oh wait, it's probably expensive. $30? I think she would like this though, low key. This feels like it might be her style, but I don't know. But like I feel like this is just torture porn because like I just keep finding stuff that I think she would like, but it's like one of those white tags where it's like $30. And look at the little Prada one behind it. I don't know if that's real Prada or not though, but I think that these two bags are for sure like something that she would for sure wear. Right now I'm trying to find her like a cute little summer blouse or something because I saw a lot of like tank tops and like really cute blouses like the one I showed y'all on her Pinterest board, but there really isn't much like summery things anymore, obviously because it's fall. But yeah, I'm about to look through like the little pieces that they do have of like shirts and stuff because there might be something in here that she might like, maybe something in there if I just look hard enough. Yeah, I'm looking through this stuff and why are they playing in my face? Like for real, like come on now, where the good stuff at? Come on, stop hiding. What y'all think about this? Like I don't know, I feel like she could like it, but I feel like this one is just like a risky item right here. I want to try it on myself to see if it flatters me, and it probably would flatter her too. Like the thing about so much stuff is that it could like look like it might be flattering and then you actually put it on and it looks crazy, like it just does not shape you good. I feel like this also could be cute and fit her style, but it's like, I don't know, man. Like, I can kind of picture this with like, I don't know. Am I tweaking, y'all? Like, it's like a tank top that goes all the way, I don't know. I think I'm gonna put it back. I think like it could give grandma. Looking at the boots right now, I found these right here, but I don't really know. I'm gonna have to look at her board again to figure it out, but these are only $6.99. I think that would be cute for her. And then I also see these, and these are very unique, but I don't know. Like, she could like them, she might not like them, I don't know. And there's also these too, which I think could possibly be cute. Ooh, this is cute. $5.99. I don't know though. You know, I think that's cute, but it might be too dressy. Wait, what do y'all think about this one? I feel like this could be her vibe. I don't know. Bro, I'm walking up these stairs. I look up. This is a big ass and old man sitting right here. That scared the shit out of me. Why I get up here and find these? I hope they fit because these are so cute. What's up, y'all? So I'm back at the thrift store again. I hope y'all can hear me good because today I'm vlogging on my phone because I didn't feel like bringing that big ass camera, bro. Like, so still looking for some stuff, you know. I want to find her maybe some jewelry. I think this is perfect. Wait, this is so cute, but it's $6.99. I probably won't get that. Hey, what's up? I have a whole haul of stuff that I got for her. I just want to show y'all just a couple things, not overly, you know, show y'all because I don't want her to know yet. I got her a little goodie bag full of like jewelry and accessories and stuff like that, you know. This one, I thought it was really cute and it would really go with her style. This belt, I saw a lot of these belts on her Pinterest boards. Look how cool this is, like this metal belt. It's just so nice. I feel like this could go with a lot of her outfits, you know. I really basically made an entire outfit for her. She got everything but shoes though. It was so hard to find shoes for some reason. I don't know what was going on, but I just genuinely could not find shoes. It's just like I have the shoe curse or something. If I'm looking for shoes for you or if I'm looking for shoes for myself, best believe we not gonna find no shoes. Like, that's just how it goes. But yeah, that's just a couple of things from, you know, what I got for her. This was honestly so cool, so fun to do. I hope I get the chance to do it with someone else too. Thank y'all so much for coming with me to shop for Diara. Thank you, Diara, for entrusting me to thrift for you. This was super fun. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to Diara's YouTube channel too. See y'all next Wednesday.